Hi, my dear students. I am Oranisha ma'am. So daily I have given any one topic relevant with my subject. So today what I am going to explain to you means here crystal physics problems. So I think school students also having this topic. Moreover, and in Anna University also you are having this topic crystal physics in the engineering physics subject. So we will see about the problem solving in the case of the crystal physics unit, and I have given some questions at the end of the session. So kindly be comment the answer for the problems. Okay. So every day we have look at one quote. So today's quote for education, that is, education is the movement from darkness to light. See, from the quote, you can understand one thing very clearly. That is darkness. So if we are all the people who are all having a good vision only because of the eye what we have it, right? Suppose some persons may not have it. So some blind persons are also there, but that is not the problem whether you are having a eye or not. Okay, but whether you are having the good education and a character, that's the important one. So if you didn't have any kind of learning or any other educational system means, then definitely your life will be in the darkness. Suppose if you are getting all those things, then this is the good vision you can get in your future, so you may get a good light. So education is the movement from darkness to light. So that is the eye in the society, right? So if you are getting a good education, then you will be a luckiest person in the world. Sample problems. So today I am going to explain about the sample problems in the crystal physics unit. If you know these formulas relevant with these topic, then it will be easy to solve the problems. So first one is the density relevant problem. Next, Miller indices, D spacing formula, SE structure formulas, BCC, FCC, HCP, diamond structures, right? The okay. First one is the density problem. We are going to see about the density problem. The problem what the Anna University problem. Calculate the lattice constant of Fe. So for the Fe material you have to calculate a lattice constant A. Okay. So they are given density rho and atomic weight value they have given, and Avogadro number that also they have given. So we have to write it in the given datas. First we have to write the given datas. Okay, we have to write the given datas. So this case given data is density they are given rho, and atomic weight m they have given, and Avogadro number you know that n. You need that you want a value, you want a, right? So you want a. Okay, we want a. How to find out that a? This is the formula for the rho. Rho is equal to n m by n a cube. That is the formula, n m by n a cube. We have small the values of n. We have n. Small n means the number of atoms in the BCC structure. Already we know that, but we have to remember from the previous study, right? Okay, so that n number of atoms is 2, small n is 2, capital M Avogadro number, capital M atomic weight 55.85 they are given. And capital N Avogadro number, you know that 6.023 into 10 power 26. And rho value, you know that, substitute and you get the A cube value, right? And in the next, so we have now you are having a cube value, right? So what you have to do here, A cube value you have it, then we have to find out the A value, that lattice constant only we need. So you have to remove this power A cube, no? How to remove that? A cube into 3 into 1 by 3, if you put 3 cancel, so you have A, you can get A, right? So for that you have to remove this A cube, so we have to take power on both sides 1 by 3, right? Both sides you have to multiply the power 1 by 3, then you can remove the term of cube of A, right? Okay, so 3 cancel, so you have A, and in this case you find it with the help of calculator, you can get the lattice constant A is equal to for the material Fe, this is the answer. Okay, and in the next, so now we have found out the A value. This is the way of finding A. And next, Anna University question, Miller indices. For the question Miller indices, we have to solve the problem. So how to solve this one? So numerical parameters, see, they are given, what they are given, intercepts they are given, 442, intercepts 442 they are given. We have to take the reciprocal, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. And we have to take the LCM. If you take the LCM 4 comma 2, you can get the result of LCM as 4. So we have to convert next step as whole number. Okay, so in the denominator of these two terms you have a 4, so you have to multiply by only 1, so you have 1 1, and here you have to multiply with 2, then only you can get 4 LCM, right? So 1 1 2. See, the answer for this one is 1 by 1 1 2. Okay, and in the next, so Miller indices, two problems we have learned. And Miller indices plane also they may ask, right? So this is also one plane, you know, so this is cut it as edge of the x, so you are put it as only 1 in the x, so remaining axis will be 0. And likewise here z and x will be 0, right? Y only 1 because it cuts it. And in this case x, y, z, all the sides the edges 1 1 1. And here x cut, y cut, but z doesn't cut, so 0, right? So this is the plane representation. And in the next, another one plane, if you look at that, in this case y cut and z cut, so 1 1 in the y z and x will be 0, right? That is the plane representation. So this plane will be represented only because of this explanations. Anna University solved problem. Next problem, this is based on D spacing, right? We can ask the question as interplanar spacing or a D spacing. Question is lattice constant they have given, aluminium material 4.049 Armstrong unit. Calculate the spacing of 220 plane. We have to find it, no? So this is the question. The given data, first we have to fill the given data. So in this case the given data is A they have given small a is equal to 4.049 Armstrong unit. HKL 220 they have given. You have to find D spacing. D is equal to A by root of H square plus K square plus L square. Substitute this A and remaining terms you have to substitute as H term 2 square, K square 2 square, L 0, and you can get 4 plus 4 in the denominator and in the numerator this one. So 4.049 by root 8, the result is 1.432 Armstrong unit. Armstrong unit is the unit for this one, right? And in the next this is the one why I have given this one means, if you know that, then you can understand the concept. You can understand the concept. Okay. BCSC, BCC, FCC and HCP structure. What is the value for all the cases? SC, BCC, FCC, HCP. So this is for see, look at the picture. In the top, SC, BCC, FCC, HCP diamond they are given, and in the left side we are having volume, number of atoms, everything. So this is the one which we have studied in the water. We have studied in the previous cases. So this is very important. If you know that, then it will be easy to write the problem. Number of atoms per AC structure is 1, BCC 2, FCC 4, HCP 6, diamond 8. Coordination number for SC 6, BCC 8, FCC 12, HCP 12, diamond 4. Atomic radius A by 2 root 3 by 4A, root 2 by 4A, A by 2 root 3 by A. Packing factor for SC 0.52, BCC 0.68, FCC 0.74, HCP 0.74, diamond 0.34. Example for AC structure polonium. Example for BCC iron, barium, tungsten. Example for FCC copper, aluminium, nickel. HCP example zinc, titanium, magnesium. Diamond example silicon, germanium, carbon. Okay, so if you know these, then it will be easy to write the next problem. So that I have given this tabulation. And polonium has SC structure at room temperature. This is one example for the SC structure. Polonium material of the SC structure. If the radius of the polonium is 1.75 Armstrong unit, calculate the lattice constant. So we need A, and they are given atomic radius. What is the formula? R is equal to A by 2. So A is equal to, what is it, 2R. A is equal to 2R. So 2 into R value substitute, you get the result of 3.5 Armstrong. Okay, that's it. And next problem is lattice constant for this is for BCC structure. For the BCC structure, lattice constant A they have given. We have to find R. You know, R formula is, what is that? Root 3 by 4A. Then substitute this value of A, root 3 by 4 into A value, what is it? 0.36 nanometer, 10 power minus 9. Nanometer means 10 power minus 9. Substitute that value and get the result of this one. So 0.16 nanometer is the atomic radius for this one. And next, copper is FCC. Next problem is copper is FCC, whose atomic radius is 1.26 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So atomic radius R they have given, and we have to find the lattice constant A. So formula for these two is R is equal to root 2 by 4 into A. We need A. So this A comes, this root 2 by 4 comes to this side. What is the result? 4R by root 2, right? So you can get the result from this formula. A is equal to 4R by root 2. 4 into, and you have to substitute R value, they given 1.26 into 10 power minus 10. 4R by root 2. And the result is 3.56 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So 10 power minus 10 is nothing but Armstrong. So 10 power minus 10 meter means, what is that? Armstrong unit, right? So you can write, instead of this 10 power minus 10 meter, Armstrong unit. And next question is HCP 1. In the HCP structure, an element has a HCP structure if the radius of the, so radius they are given Volume of the unit cell we have to find. Radius they have given 1.0605 Armstrong in it. Volume we have to find for the what? Volume of the unit cell. We need V, capital V. We have to find volume of the unit cell. What is the formula? 3 root 3 a square c by 2, right? 3 root 3 a square c by 2. So we have to find this. How to find out this? 3 root 3 a square c by 2. So we already they are given r. So from the r you can find a, right? Because a is equal to 2r. Substitute the a value. We can get the a value. And next c by a you have to ratio. You know that c by ratios. C by a is equal to square root of 8 by 3. And here already you know the a value 3.21 into 10 power minus 10. C value this one, which is equal to square root of 8 by 3. You have to equate C by value. General equation is equal to the value they have given, right? Then you can find the value of C. So you can find the C. C is equal to what is it? Rearrange in the terms and you can get C is equal to this one. And next, and in the next C is equal to, we have to find the C value. We have to find the C value. So that C is equal to 5.24 into 10 power minus 10 meter. You have it. Volume of the unit cell, already you know the formula. I have given to you 3 root 3 a square c by 2, 3 root 3 1.732 a square, this is a square and this is c. Already we found out by 2. Get the answer using your calculator. You can get the 1.4 into 10 power minus 28 meter cube. Okay, so what is the one we have found out means, you know the C by A ratio value square root of 8 by 3, but you don't know about the C here, and you can first you find A, next you find C, then with the help of that you can find the capital V with the help of this formula. And in the next, germanium crystallizes in diamond structure with 8 atoms per unit cell. If the lattice constant is 5.6 Armstrong, calculate its density. What is the question they have given? 8 atoms per unit cell. That means number of atoms they are given as 8. And if the lattice constant is 5.6, A value they are given. Calculate its density. We have to find rho. What is the formula for this one? Rho is equal to Nm by Na cube, right? And atomic weight for the germanium is 72.59. From the logbook we can find it. Atomic weight M is equal to 72.59. And Avogadro number you know that 6.02 into 10 power 26. And as the final you can find rho value. How to find out the rho value? So rho is equal to Nm by Na cube. So you know the N8 and you know the M value and you know the A value and capital N is Avogadro. Substitute and get the result of what is that? Density. This is the answer. Comment answer below. So I have given 3 questions. Question number 1 is, you have to answer, you have to do the problem in your home and write the answer in the comment section. Copper as a FCC structure, copper material, and its atomic radius they have given. So you have to find lattice parameter and density of copper. These two which you have to find. And next question, Alpha ion of atomic weight is 55.85 solidifies into BCC structure and has a density 7860 kg meter cube, kg m power minus 3. Calculate the radius of an atom. This is one of the question. You just do that problem and answer it in the comment box. Suppose if you couldn't write that power and all means, simply you write it as for example, if you get the answer 1.3 mean 1.3 into 10 power 26 means you write 1.23 into 10 power 26. In that way you can write. Okay, you write the answers in the comment box. And the next question is, lithium crystallizes in BCC structure. Calculate the lattice constant. You have to find the lattice constant A for the BCC structure. Give that the atomic weight and density. You find the atomic weight. Given that the atomic weight and density, they have given atomic weight and density. Weight is the 6.94 and atomic and the density is 530 kg m power 3. You have to find out the lattice constant. See, this is the question which I have given to you. So thank you so much for watching my video. So today I have given 8 different categories of formulas problems, and I will give any homework or any problem workout in the next videos onwards. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Kindly study well. Okay, thank you.